Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Now discussing the previous bits coming from this lesson. In 2015, the SI unit of specific heat is, SI unit of specific heat already discussed that. SI unit is S is equal to Q by M into delta T. Q is a joule, M is a mass kg, and delta T is a temperature Kelvin. Joule per kg Kelvin. The fourth option is correct. Next question. The change of phase of from liquid to gas at the surface of the liquid is. The surface phenomenon is always a evaporation. Liquid to gas is called as a evaporation. The fourth option. Okay, the final temperature of the mixture of 100 grams of water at 30 degrees centigrade temperature and 100 grams of water at 60 degree temperature is. So using the law of mixtures, heat lost by the cold body, hot body is equal to heat gained by the cold body. Using this principle, the heat absorbed in the mixer, heat absorbed by the mixer is equal to heat absorbed by the individual waters. That is, heat absorbed Q is equal to M into S into delta. The mixture having two liquids, one is 100 grams, another one is 100. The total mixture weight is 200 grams and specific is 4.2 and its temperature, let it be T, is equal to heat absorbed by the individual waters. First one water is mass is 100 and specific heat is 4.2 and its temperature T1 plus T2. The first one is the T1, second one is the T2. Substitute here 100 into 4.2 into first one temperature is 30 degrees, second one temperature is 60 degrees. 30 plus 60. That is 100 into 4.2 into 90. Therefore 200 into 4.2 into mixer temperature capital T. 200 and 100 2 times 4.2 cancel out. Therefore 2T is equal to 90. Therefore temperature of mixer is equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45 degrees centigrade. That is the option A. Now discussing the previous bits in the 2016 also. The material has the specific heat more than that of the ice. The water has the highest specific heat remaining materials. Okay, that is water is the highest specific heat, approximately 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade. Example of condensation. Example of condensation. Sandrikaranako udaharana. Condensation means the gaseous state will be conversion into the liquid state. That is neeru manchuga maadam, condensation of water into ice, wet clothes getting dried, water converting into vapor, formation of dew. Formation of dew is an example of the condensation. 127 degree centigrade plus 400 K plus X is equal to 1000 K. Find the X. Here mixture of units is there. One is the Celsius scale, second one is the Kelvin scale. Find the value in terms of kelvins. Okay, conversely, you know the relation Kelvin scale and temperature. Celsius scale is capital T is equal to small t plus 273. First of all, you convert the 127 degrees centigrade into kelvins. That's why temperature in kelvins is equal to 127 plus 273. 400 Kelvin. You can apply this formula. 127 degrees centigrade is equivalent to 400 K. You substitute here 400 K plus this is also 400 K plus X is equal to 1000 K. Therefore, X is equal to 1000 K minus 400 plus 400 800. Therefore, 800 K. Therefore, value of X is 200 K. The option is first one, 200 K. In 2017, the bits given from the heat lesson. The first one, which substance has highest specific heat? అంటే క్రింది వాటిలో ఏది అధిక విశిష్టోష్ణాన్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది? ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా వాటర్. That is option is water. Always water. Value of temperature of minus 25 degrees centigrade in Kelvin scale is. The Kelvin ఉష్ణోగ్రతామానంలో -25 డిగ్రీల విలువ ఎంత? Okay, already you know the relation. Temperature in Kelvin scale is equal to temperature in degree centigrade plus 273. That is temperature in Kelvin scale. The temperature in Celsius scale is minus 25 plus 273. Kelvin. 248. That is first option. Evaporation of liquid takes place at the బాష్పీభవనం అనేది ఎక్కడ జరుగుతుంది? బాష్పీభవనం ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా ఉపరితల దృగ్విషయం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేజ్ ఏ సర్ఫేస్ ఫినామినన్. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేజ్ అకర్స్ ఎట్ సర్ఫేస్. Now the previous bits in the 2017 from heat lesson. The specific heat of water 1 calorie per gram degree centigrade and its value is joule per kg Kelvin. 1 calorie is equivalent to approximately 4.186 joule. That is 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg. Degree centigrade conversion here. Calorie per gram degree centigrade into joule per kg Kelvin. 1 calorie replaced by 4.186 joule per kg. Gram converted into kg. 1 kg is approximately equivalent to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3, that is 10 power minus 3 kg. Kelvin degree centigrade ke conversion into degree centigrade. Therefore 4.186 into 10 power minus 3 numerator is a 10 power plus 3 joule per kg Kelvin. Therefore 4.186 into 10 power 3 is equal to 4186. The approximate value is 4180. That's the fourth option is correct. Which among the lowest specific heat? The lowest specific heat is always mercury and highest specific heat is water. That's the lowest means mercury. The reverse process of the evaporation. Evaporation is a cooling process. The reverse process is a heating process. That is a condensation. Condensation is the reverse process of the evaporation. Now in 2019, a temperature of minus 273 degrees centigrade in Kelvin scale is minus 273 degrees centigrade in Kelvin scale. Therefore, temperature in Kelvin scale is equal to temperature in Celsius scale plus 273. Therefore, T is equal to 200 and minus 273 plus 273, that is T is equal to 0 K. And the value of minus 273 degrees centigrade in Kelvin scale is 0 K. The next one. Which among the following statements on temperature is false? ఉష్ణోగ్రతకు సంబంధించి క్రింది వాటిలో ఏ వాక్యం తప్పు? First statement, it determines the direction of its flow. Okay, it is correct. ఇది ఉష్ణ ప్రవాహ దిశను తెలియజేస్తుంది. Because of it is always flows from the high temperature region to low temperature region. Second one, it measures of thermal equilibrium. It is also correct. The temperature is always gives the thermal equilibrium concept. కాబట్టి ఇది ఉష్ణ సమతా స్థితిని తెలియజేస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్. Third option is it is a measure of hotness or coldness. Temperature is nothing but a measure of hotness and coldness. That's why it is also true statement. Fourth one is heat flows from a body at low temperature to a body at high temperature. It is a false statement. It always flows from the high temperature region to low temperature region. Here giving that low temperature region to high temperature region, because of it is a false statement. Fourth one is wrong. Next one, సాంద్రీకరణ జరుగు స్థితి మార్పు. Condensation is change of phase form. సాంద్రీకరణ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎలా జరుగుతుందమ్మా అంటే రివర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎవాపరేషన్. ఎవాపరేషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లిక్విడ్ టు గ్యాసియస్ స్టేట్. కండెన్సేషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గ్యాసియస్ స్టేట్ టు లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్. అంటే వాయు స్థితి నుండి ద్రవ స్థితికి మార్పు చెందుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినవి liquid to solid is a false statement, liquid to gas it is also false statement, solid to liquid it is also false statement, gas to liquid this is a right option. Fourth one is the correct. వాయు స్థితి నుండి ద్రవం.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes and share this